Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio Baby G BG212 with the module 1523. So in case you have this particular model, I am pretty sure that you have tried to press and hold the adjust button while in your home screen, and as you can see, we cannot arrive at setting the time and date. We are going to press the adjust button once again. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you are in your home screen. In case you are not, press the mode button until you arrive here. Here, as you can see, I have 17:39. So this means that I am in military time, so 24-hour display. What you need to do is to press the 24-hour button, arrive at the 12-hour display, and then press the adjust button, and as you can see, the seconds are now flickering. So this means that if I press the button, the 24-hour button, it is going to reset them to 0. Since we are above 30, it also added a minute. In case you are in between 1 and 29 seconds, it is going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. We are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different functions. We can only go forward, so I can only press the 24-hour button. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. Since I have the 12-hour display, as you can see now I have 5 p.m. So let's make it 6 p.m. and 30. So I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can press and hold in order to arrive at 30. Also make sure to take into account for the seconds, because if they go past 59, so past 60, you are going to also have another minute added to your total time. So make sure to take this into consideration in case you want to be very precise, as you can see right here. So 29, and now I'm going to make it 30. So now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Something really cool about this particular model is that it starts at 1995, so that is going to be something really cool, because most modern Casio watches are going to start from the year 2000. So here I'm going to press, and let's say I want to make it 2030. Once again, make sure to go one by one at the end, because you can only go in one direction. I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can also use the speed scroll function. The first one is going to be the month. So let's make it December, and then let's make it the 24th of December. So I'm going to press and hold. The speed scroll function is going to work here as well. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and it is going to cycle back from the beginning, as you can see right here. So in case you made a mistake, you can go and you can correct it. So let's make it 7:30 p.m. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, we have now correctly set the time and date. In case you prefer the 24-hour display, I'm going to switch to the 24-hour display. And as you can see here, the adjust button once again won't get us to setting the time and date. So guys, in case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, please make sure to check out the link in the description box below, as this is going to be a quite interesting and unique Casio Baby G-Shock watch. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, so you might just like it around here. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.